happy Vlogmas. Even though it's December 2nd. I decided, okay, first of all, is this really Vlogmas or am I just like randomly uploading from time to time? I don't know. Most likely not, but since everyone else is like, it's Vlogmas, I'ma just say, yeah, it's Vlogmas. The goal is 1 video per week, as I've been doing for the last like 2 months. Insane. But I will say, y'all was supposed to get a Thanksgiving video. Like a quick little vlog of just my day for Thanksgiving. Which I did. And I filmed, I showed you the dessert I was making and all of that. But when I went to go edit everything, guess who put everything in slow motion? Me. So y'all not getting nothing. Girl, I was so annoyed. I immediately formatted my SD card. I was like, take this off. Take it off. I don't want it. So y'all didn't get the Thanksgiving vlog like I wanted to have. Especially considering I don't think I posted the last 2 weeks. Also, because I still haven't edited the vlog, not the vlog, a video. It's just, I have footage from 2 cameras that I gotta like sync up and all that jazz, but I'm supposed to be editing that or posting it next week. So I have to get back on my Zoom for that. But I decided I'm gonna start posting little videos here and there, even if it's like 2 minutes long. Why not? I'm not doing anything. I was gonna show y'all me cooking. The thing is, I don't feel like taking out my other tripod, which I got one right there, but I was like, I guess I could show y'all what I made. Like, do y'all care? Like, I'll just cook. I'm literally right now just cooking like ground turkey because over the weekend I made lamb chops. Those are now gone, but I still have like some sides left. So I'm gonna make that.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broke.
But yeah, so tomorrow I'm just gonna make some rice and broccoli, since that's the last of my mashed potatoes and green beans. Oh. Anyway, oh my lord, I'm gonna have to pick you up. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Hold on, it's too damn heavy. Golly, I'm trying to pick up the tripod too. Golly, this is what it looks like. I know she's not like aesthetically pleasing, and it just looks like a hodgepodge of stuff put together. And if it looks like a hodgepodge of things put together, it's because it is a hodgepodge of things put together. Okay, I'm just trying to get rid of the mashed potatoes and green beans. Normally, my little ground turkey mixture or whatever, usually with rice with a side of broccoli or something, but this is what it looks like. Also, you most likely hear the water vinegar boiling, because I don't want that smell through here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I want to try it though. Let me try it though. Let me try it though. Damn. I'm trying to. This is what it looks like. She does not. I don't know. She looks fine. Oh, God bless this one. About to see the winners. Talking about the email. Mhm. 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 Mm. Mm. That was good. Mm. Also, the mashed potatoes. It's like a sour cream and chive mashed potato from the bag that you just add water. Convenience. I don't know what you want me to do. I don't feel like mashing. I don't even got a masher. And then the green beans, it's like a, it was like a shiitake mushroom green bean situation I got from Trader Joe's in the frozen section. Convenience. Convenience. I don't know what you want me to do. Not do it. Not use convenience for me. But yeah. I low-key want to add some sour cream to it. I don't know why. She just in there. I'm gonna add it. Hold on. And already have another foot. Let's see. Ooh. Ah! That sour cream juice be so nasty. The milk, the water, whatever it's called. This is so nasty. Jesus. The only reason why I got sour cream is because the cheesecake recipe called for sour cream. But now that I have some sour cream left, excuse me, it's making me want like tacos or like a Chipotle bowl. Homemade. Like a homemade Chipotle bowl or something. I put that on like my grocery list. Most likely might make a Chipotle bowl. Or nachos. I made nachos once. It was so good. I just want something with sour cream. That's it. That's all. That's all, girl. That's all. Alright. I just put a little bit. Let's try it. This is a big bite. Jesus. This is a huge bite. I'm gonna turn my back so you don't see me go in. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Alright, y'all. I'm about to eat. And then I'm gonna eat some. Oh, you wanna see my cheesecake? This is what I wanted to show y'all for Thanksgiving. I didn't film myself making the cheesecake. Because I just wanted to get it over with. Let me turn you this way. I didn't film myself making the cheesecake. Let me go over here. I didn't film myself making the cheesecake, which is a bad content creator. Because that could have been a whole cooking video. But I just wanted to get it done. That's why I didn't film it. But maybe I'll film it again or just film like a different cheesecake. So I made a Snickers cheesecake. She's been battered. She looked way better than this, but you see the caramel, and then I got some salted caramel peanuts, and then the little Snickers with the Oreo crust. But yeah, I'm gonna have that for dessert. The big piece is supposed to be for my sister, but she don't come get it, I'm finna eat it up. I'm gonna eat it up. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, you guys, happy Vlogmas or happy December. We almost through the year, y'all. We almost there. But that's all I gotta say. I'll see y'all next time. When is my next Vlogmas? I have no idea. But that's the gift of Vlogmas. Surprise! I'll just post it when I have something to do, you know? Because I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to see me clean and do laundry and whatnot. Do you? It might have to happen. I don't know. I don't know. It might be content. But, there will be like another Vlogmas video. I just don't know when it's going to be. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner and enjoy my night. / I'm gonna hurry up and edit this so I can upload. But yeah, you guys, I'll see y'all. What is that on my floor? I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
But I had so much to say, and you let me get away still.